At first, it may sound like a simple recipe for success. Many cows produce a lot of milk. But many cows also create a lot of work. The bigger the herd, the more attention and care they require, and the more there is to organize. GEA automated technology helps you manage all your herd-related tasks, from tracking cattle health through to reproductive management. GEA CowView provides you with complete behavior analysis to help you take care of every cow now and in the future. Mobile, smart, and thoroughly effective, CowView monitors your animals around the clock. With state-of-the-art precision, the system can detect the onset of illness or approaching estrus even at a very early stage. That means you can take swift action and notify outside specialists right away. CowView helps you take care of all tasks on time with no interruptions. Whether your herd comprises 200 cows or 2,000, CowView keeps close track of every single animal for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whether your cows are eating, resting, standing, or walking, the monitoring system records the location of each animal thanks to individual tags and antennas in the barn. Each movement profile speaks volumes about the cow. CowView draws intelligent conclusions based on how much each cow moves around and how frequently, generating alerts if anything out of the ordinary occurs. Now you can immediately take care of animals that require special attention without wasting any time looking for them. CowView's real-time localization shows exactly where they are. By using CowView, you can cut your walking distances in half and reach your destination in half the time. Lameness, mastitis, ketosis, acidosis, and metritis are common health factors that drive up costs in dairy production. By optimizing the way you manage herd health, you can benefit from huge savings. Veterinarian costs are only the tip of the iceberg. The loss in potential milk production is even more serious. Add to that the time and effort it takes to nurse a cow back to health and back to full performance. CowView can detect early warning signs even faster than your trained eye. By taking action early on, you can prevent disruptions to dairy production and keep financial losses in check. Based on milk production and lactation phase, you can plan your next steps and schedule appointments using the action lists. Whether in your office or on the go, CowView consistently helps you analyze the data and keep track of your records. Is a cow displaying standing or mounting behavior? Nowadays, hardly anyone has the time for conventional estrus detection. The time span for visible signs of heat is becoming increasingly brief. Take your herd's reproductive performance to a new level of success. Through continuous monitoring, CowView detects increased activity, determining just the right time for insemination. thanks to the action lists and seamless flow of information, the insemination technician can tend to the right cow at the right time. Shorter strides are a typical sign of lameness. Often, the number of steps remains the same. Conventional systems have no way of detecting this. But CowView can, because it recognizes that the overall distances a cow travels are shorter and reports this revealing change in behavior. That means you can call in a claw trimmer and treat the animal straight away. Taking quick action nips the ailment in the bud, meaning your cow can get back to her regular level of productivity in no time. Healthy animals are the best foundation for modern livestock farming. CowView lets you focus your attention on every single cow and helps you take care of large herds individually, suitably, and efficiently. Enhance your dairy farm's herd, health, and breeding management with CowView to drive your dairy production to success.